come reorganize my fridge with me because the Virgo inside of me started Virgoing, and I was tired of looking at this hot mess of a fridge, y'all. I was letting life, and if you know any Virgo, you know we are super organized. So this was really irking my spirit. I took everything out so I can give my fridge a nice little clean and wipe down. You don't put clean stuff in a dirty fridge, so if you're going to reorganize it, you might as well give your fridge a wipe down. I also went grocery shopping, so I'm just washing off all my produce, my veggies, and everything before I put them in these containers that I got from Amazon, which I'll link in my bio if you guys want to grab them. I also got this cute drink dispenser, which I'm obsessed with. I put some sparkling water, beer, regular water. These milk containers, I think, are 34 ounces, and I put my almond milk, my orange juice, my apple juice, all of the things. I added my eggs to my egg container, and threw in my protein shakes and protein yogurt, organized everything else, and you guys, my spirit is happy now. Hallelujah, Jesus. All right, bye, y'all.